Mabuhay, I'm Dominic aka Philly Swiss. Welcome back to my channel where we try to live our best lives on a budget without losing our minds. Today we're diving into meal prep but make it efficient, stress-free, and budget-friendly. If you're trying to save time, money, and your sanity, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more real-life hacks, and share it with your busy bestie who never knows what to eat. If you notice that my voice sounds different, that's because hay fever is kicking in as the season gets warmer. After work and gym, I'm usually too tired to think, let alone cook. Ordering takeout is convenient, and according to this partner blog entry from Just Eat in 2021, of the people surveyed belonging to the online food delivery users group, that 16 to 39-year-olds are more likely to be among the heavy users category, which are people who order several times a month or even weekly. So let's put this into context. I work 5 days a week. If I order a meal, no drinks or side dishes or appetizers, just the main dish itself, for 20 francs every day, that makes 100 francs per week. That then makes 400 to 500 francs per month. Depending on your salary, you might afford it and don't care, but let's look deeper into that situation. Let's say you're Ali, 26 years old, working as a barista in Switzerland. You earn about 50,000 francs a year. That's around 4,000 per month. Your monthly expenses are as follows. Your remaining balance is around 600 francs, which you will hopefully set aside as savings, or at least a portion. Depending on other spending habits or social commitments you have, this number could be much smaller. Since we care about food in this video, let's focus on food expenses. Food prices in Switzerland in Numbeo show that if you're buying Western food types, the recommended minimum amount of money for food per person is 592.46 francs. And if you're buying Asian food types, then the minimum amount is 468.75. So if you're spending 400 to 500 francs on dinners alone for takeouts, you're way over budget on food with barely any money to spare for a rainy day, so you end up using your credit card to make ends meet. The bottom line is ordering takeout is expensive. This is why meal prepping helps me stay on track with my health goals and avoid spending on last-minute takeout. So if we're hardworking and exhausted productive people of society and don't want to waste our money and eat food that isn't good for us in the long term, what are we to do? I spend one afternoon to prep our breakfast and dinners for the week. I keep it simple by having proteins, rice, noodles, or lentils and vegetables in the mix. The most important part of the meal prep is knowing how to do it efficiently. The stove is a default, but I also use my air fryer and my Instant Pot to cook food simultaneously. There's no point in cooking each dish one at a time. Here's the menu for the week. First up is air-fried chicken. While the rice starts cooking in a pot on the stove, I pop the chicken in the air fryer to cook. Just set it and forget it. Next, mungo or mung bean soup. Perfect for cozy days and it's protein-packed. Instant Pot saves so much time when meal prepping because of its pressure cooking feature. For the sarsyadong itlog or the Filipino-style scrambled eggs, simply hard-boiled eggs. You can toss them in a pan with the other ingredients later to finish the dish. While everything is running like clockwork, I can work on the picadillo. Now, this is what I call multitasking. Once everything is cooked, transfer them to your containers and only cover them once they've cooled. And we're ready for the week ahead. Future me will be grateful. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite meal prep dish, and don't forget to subscribe for more realistic adulting hacks. I'll catch you in the next video.